Hey, what's up guys? I'm EDC Gunner and I'm doing my Sunday morning walk. It's part of my new mission to get healthier, get thinner, leaner, meaner and whatnot. So I decided I'm gonna do vlogs. I got my little, this morning I brought my mic and decided I'm gonna do vlogs. I'm gonna get better at it and I wanna eliminate that awkwardness because it's kind of awkward for me still to walk even though it's Sunday morning, everyone's asleep and it's 10 till 9. I'm wearing my watch because it's kind of perfect watch and I'm trying to get to 10,000 steps every Sunday morning. So last Sunday I didn't make it, but this Sunday I'm gonna definitely do it. And I decided I'm gonna vlog because I want to come up with topic every morning. So if you like this, shoot me some topics. You want to see me talk about something, do contact me, write me down below. So today I'm gonna talk to you about today's topic of the day is how to start a watch collection and how to build a watch collection, but not in a conventional way. I want to talk to you what I was told when they told me to build a watch collection, and that was you want to definitely want to have a dive watch in your collection, which is like a must, and you want to have a dress watch in your collection, which is also like a must. You want to have a chronograph, you want to have a pilot's watch, you want to have a field watch when you are out there in the field, which is am I out there in the field right now doing army stuff? No, but I get the gist of it, and I definitely want to want to have a field watch. So you want to have a pilot's watch and every other freaking watch out there. I say you have a quartz watch in your collection when you are wake up early. You don't want to wound those fuckers up. So that's the general idea. And when I first started building my collection, I was building up to that. So my first collection was I had pilot chronograph, which was my pilot / field watch / Russian watch, because when I have a Russian watch definitely in your collection. And also I had Orient Mako as my diver, I had a Seiko SKX, and I had vintage Tissot and vintage Omega dress watches, and I think I did pretty okay. I think that's a perfect collection. So when you want to have a dress watch, I want to get the most value out of everything. So I wanted to have a vintage piece that's vintage Omega or vintage Tissot, which they were back in the 50s. They were under the same roof, if you didn't know that. So yeah, I'm walking pretty fast. So someone mentioned there, I think it was Eric, cut off the fags because you was in your breath. Well, I'm walking pretty fast, almost like running, and even though it doesn't seem so like for you guys, but I think I'm getting more comfortable with this, holding up the phone and vlogging. But that's just because it's Sunday. There's nobody, literally no one outside walking. It's freaking cold. It's 0 degrees Celsius. It's February, and it's very early Sunday, and I got up. I want to do my walk. I may go to the flea market. I don't know. I'm gonna count my steps. Now I have a step counter on my phone, so 10,000 steps is the limit, is the goal for today. Maybe not with this walk, but definitely I want to do 10,000 steps today, because I heard that 10,000 steps is what on a daily basis is what you need to get those kilos down, or like you like to say, pounds down. So yeah, it's very cold. I have a thin skin. For YouTube I have a thick skin. For all those nasty trolls I used to have, just banned them. But overall, if you're gonna involve yourself in something like YouTube, you need to have a thick skin. But regarding cold, I have a thin skin and I'm rambling right now, which is fine. But yeah, well, my point with the watches is you don't have to follow any kinds of rules, because screw the rules. You wanna do, if you see you wanna have, there's a beautiful dive watch comes up and you say, now I already have a diver in my collection and I want a dress piece, or there's a beautiful dress vintage Omega, but you say, nah, I have dress piece, I have Bambino, and now I need something, a pilot's chronograph, whatnot. That's silly. Buy what you like and screw all those other guys who think they know it all. Guys like me, because it's freaking cold today. Nobody knows all, and when it comes to watches, there is no right answer. The right answer is get what you like. And do you think all those people on Talking Watches series, they would be on Talking Watches? Well, except for the tons of money and unlimited supplies of Daytonas. But like Ronnie M, he has great collection of crazy looking Pateks and Vacherons, but none of them is round. They're all different sizes and shapes. So yeah, so I want to give you a little 360 until I came to the sun. This is the city I currently live in. It's Banja Luka, but this is a bit sideways. This is a city stadium, football, and yeah, I'm EDC Gunner. Tell me, what do you guys think? Do you collect with your pieces? Like a instructor, I gotta have a diver, gotta have this and that, or you just buy what you like? Because I have more dress watches than dive watches, and it's not because I want to collect dress watches. It's because those watches, they touched my heart, and I love them, I like them, and I kept them in my collection. So I think that's the most important part of it. So thank you for watching, guys. I'm EDC Gunner, and I'm signing out. So yeah, it's getting pretty cold outside here. Look at this, I'm not the only one working out. So yeah, see you guys, and do tell me in the comment section if you like this series. Do you want me to do some more vlogs and whatnot? And cheers.